So first you want to put some oil inside the measuring cup so the peanut butter doesn't stick. Anyways, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. Okay, so here I'm going to be using 1 cup of peanut butter. This is a quick and easy recipe you can make. It's only 3 ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the peanut butter into the bowl. Then I'm going to be adding a cup of sugar. It may look like a lot of sugar, but it's not. It's just the right amount. Okay, so now I'm just going to be adding 1 egg. Now you just want to make sure you mix everything up really good. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit the like button to show support. Also, make sure you subscribe. So if you like chocolate chips, you can add chocolate chips in here too. But for this recipe, I didn't want to add it. Okay, so I'm going to be making 4 medium-sized cookies. So you want them to look like this. Now that that's done, I'm just going to be putting a little design on the cookies with the fork, just so it doesn't look plain. Okay, so now they look like this. Now you put it in the oven. So I put my oven on 400 and I cooked them for about 10 to 12 minutes. And this is how they came out. You let them sit for a while, for like 5 to 8 minutes. And now I'm just separating them. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how they came out. Y'all, they are nice and firm and really soft. Look at that. Wow, don't that look good?